Using the flash to take cool photos. In this video, I will show you how to use the flash to take cool photos while letting the bright natural light filter in through the cartoons. First, we'll take a photo without the flash. I'll use a soft backlight from the window, so even if you don't use a flash, as long as the exposure is right, you can get a nice shot. But I want to take a cooler photo with a stronger contrast, so I will place a black reflector board on the right side. By pressing the black reflector board to one side, it will increase the shadowed side more so than the photo I took before. Next, I will bounce the flash Godox AD200 from high on the back wall, and then I will use a white reflector on the opposite side of the black reflector to reflect the light from the flash and shine it on the subject. The light reflected off the back wall becomes a counterlight, and the light that reflects off the reflector becomes a really beautiful light. The main points are, in order to create a filtered white light through the cartoon, you must set the shutter at a slow speed. Also, it's important not to take a photo using a strong flash. You lose the light's white softness if you use too strong intensity of flash. While the natural light in the background is a clean white, the subject will be in high contrast and the shadows will fall, creating a real cool shot. In addition, by shining the flash in a semi-backlit condition, it creates a nice effect with the edge light and hair light. The light reflected by the white reflector becomes soft as it hits the subject, making the subject look beautiful.